Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia and today I'm going to be showing you how I pack my 3D custom wood signs. So this is one that is a little thicker than I normally make, but it still works. I'm not actually shipping this, it's my logo, it's an old sign of mine. But anyway, so you're going to need a box that's about 2 inches length and width wise than your sign. I'm using an 18-inch sign here, so I have a 20 by 20 box. That's 4 inches in depth. This is a single walled cardboard box. You can get double walled as well if you want it to be a bit like stronger, but it will be more expensive, and I have found that single wall works perfectly fine. So step one is, of course, assembling your box. Now, this year I've been trying my best to go more eco-friendly with my packaging, and so I have switched from just plastic tape to a paper tape that is recyclable and it has no plastic in it. And so I found this on Amazon. I will have it linked in the description box below, as well as everything I use in this video actually. But I like it because you can rip it by hand. You don't have to have a special serrated edge, but it's paper. There's no plastic in it. It's easy to apply. Like it's great, and it's really not that expensive at all. So I'm going to apply 2 strips to the bottom of the box. This tape is super strong, like super sticky, super strong. I've had no problems with it at all in shipping, and so I highly recommend it. Now that we have the box taped up, I'm going to add some fill to the bottom. I am using a packing peanut that is biodegradable, compostable, and actually it dissolves in water. I use it in all of my packing, and it's kind of fun for people who have kids. They can do crafts with it as well. And so I just think it's a really cool product, but once again, I'll have that linked. But it's called Fun Pack, and it's made in the USA as well, which is also a plus. Anyways, I add a layer of this Fun Pack to the bottom of the box. It does not have to be a thick layer. If you want it to be, that's fine, but I found that a thin layer is just fine. It's to protect the bottom of the sign when it's in shipping. That's really it. It does not have to be a lot. All right, so we're gonna set the box aside for a minute and work on the sign. So this is air pillows. I don't really know what it's called, but it comes in a huge roll. It is plastic, but I have found that I'm just like making baby steps to being completely plastic free. So this is the one plastic component of this package. So I'm using these, and I'm going to wrap my sign either lengthwise or widthwise, whichever way you want to. And I'm going to have it overlap so it's nice and padded, and then add little tape or sticker to keep it in place. Then I'm going to put it in the box on top of the packing peanut fill. Once it's in the box, I'm going to add more of these pillows to the top and the bottom of the sign so that it's not banging against the side walls of the box. So I use like 3 or 4 of the pillows, and I just tuck it underneath and over the top of the sign, and that really helps with it holding its place in the box. That's about it for the packing fill. Like, you can add more to the corners if you're afraid they're going to get crushed, but I haven't found that to be a problem in all of the signs I have shipped, so I'm not even going to add into the corners. The next steps are for aesthetics only, but I'm adding a layer of tissue paper to cover up the sign. I want it to kind of be a reveal. Then I'm putting in some confetti, and I'm gonna also add 3 separate pieces of paper. The first one tells about what the packing peanuts are made of, so they know that they can use them in crafts if they want. The next one is a little thank you card, and the last one is my business card with my social media accounts and my email address so they can contact me if they want to. Then I close the box and I shake it around. I want to hear if the sign is moving a lot. If it is, then I'll add a little bit more packing, but if it's not, then I seal it up, and that's it. Add the label and ship it out. That's it for this video. If it's been helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.